it's so loud out here. Always got some construction going on out here. I'm getting over a cold. Today is a break for the routine. I decided that I wanted to go on a motorbike trip. I just want to escape the monotony. I'm tired of being in this apartment as much as I like it. I don't want to be in here all day. You know, it's starting to get to me. I need to see something new. I get bored easily. How much is it gonna cost? I don't know if I can afford that right now. I hate that. Why is $200 a dilemma to me right now? I don't want to think about that. I have to go harder. I have to go harder. As it turns out, as luck would have it, I can't go to Moyne. There's a police trap there. I don't feel like dealing with police right now. So we're gonna go to Katien, which is 5 hours away, and then we're gonna go to DaLat because it's not that far from Katien. The only dilemma is it's raining, 1. 2, my phone needs charge. I should have organized everything way better. What do they call it? Organized chaos. Where's my fucking charger, bro? So many detours! So many detours out here.
Forgot I wasn't supposed to light cigarettes at gas station pumps. The same rules apply in every country. Language too. It doesn't matter where you are, people get the basics. Everyone reads the face, the hands, the way you hold yourself when you've been riding a motorcycle for 8 hours in the rain. Somehow you can talk to anyone without saying a thing.
Should have a chance to have his say. Would he teach hate? Or would he teach love?
I don't need much. Just enough to get fuel, directions, maybe a dry place to stand for a minute.
I need food right now. I need something with protein, man. Like a protein bar. I don't want to take a chance on anything. I don't want to have to shit on the way there. Although I do want to get Oreos, I'm not going to get anything. I don't want to chance it. Don't want to chance it. Back to the grind, man. Back to the grind.
Do we teach hate? Or do we teach love? Or do we teach what we have learned growing up? We consider them wrong. Love is the answer.
Saigon to Geochem to Katien. Dried my hands, not my chose. Back into this mess.
So we made it to the destination. But they're closed. They're closed. Fuck. My feet are soaked. I'm gonna have to find a destination that's open. I'll also go all the way to DaLat, I'm not gonna lie. Fuck, man. Fuck. I should have just kept following them. This is so sketch. Alright. Let's find a place that's open. What's that? What is this place right here? Everyone's closed. What the fuck? Sketchy ass road. Sketchy ass road. It wants me to go down this way, so fuck it. Oh my god. This shit is. What the fuck? Why did you choose this road? Holy shit. I want to look at this shit, but it's too dark, bruh. Oh my fucking god. No. Oh my fuck. Ain't no way, bruh. No way to go back. Oh my god. Okay, we're good. Holy shit, nigga. What the fuck? What the fuck? This is fucked. This is so fucked. Bro. I am fucked, bro. That's your dog. out of here.